Kadson is the first company in India to get the EN 1154 certificate. We are also ISI approved and we have tested our products for 5 lakh life cycles. With all these certificates, you can be sure that our products are the best. Hello everyone, welcome to another instructional video from Kadson. In this video, we are going to install the automatic door closure on the left hand side of this door. The model that we are going to install today is Kadson KE300 and it is meant for doors that weigh up to 30 to 45 kilos. So let's go ahead and see what you get when you buy this model. On a quick note, I want to tell you the difference between left hand side and a right hand side door. If you have the hinges on the left hand side, then it is called as a left hand side door, and the same goes for the right hand side as well. As discussed, we will be installing the KE300 on the left hand side door. When you buy the Kadson KE300 model, you get the main mechanism, its attachment, the guarantee card, a manual which describes how to attach this model on the right hand side and the left hand side door, a cap which goes here, a spanner which can tighten up the nuts which are provided, 4 long screws and 2 short screws. The 4 long screws will be used to mount the main mechanism and the 2 short screws will be used to mount the attachment. In the KE300 model, the mounting holes are actually hidden inside. To access them, you have to slide away this shield. Here are 2 holes, and if you remove this rubber bushes, then there are 2 more holes. When mounting the main mechanism, it is important to note this point. If you see, here it is shorter and here it is longer. For a left hinge door, this shorter side should be towards the hinge and the longest side should be on the opposite side. So now with that, we can go ahead and mark the holes. Using the tape, I'll mark 3 inches first and about 20 millimeters from the top. After taking a measurement of 3 inches from the side and about 10 to 20 mm from the top, we can go ahead and mark the holes. First, we'll check the level by putting a level on the top and adjusting our position. Once it is all in the center, we can go ahead and mark the holes. Since the holes are really deep, we will use a drill to go ahead and mark our holes. Then we can pre-drill the holes. Always remember to pre-drill in wood, otherwise you might split the wood. Now we can go ahead and secure the mechanism to the door. After fixing the mechanism, we can go ahead and fix the attachment. Make sure to secure the attachment a little far away from the knob for best results. If you take a closer look at the attachment, it is in triangular shape. Make sure that this is on the right hand side if your door hinge is on the left hand side. After pre-drilling, we can go ahead and attach it with some screws. Now we should attach the mechanism with this attachment. To do that, let's take this black color bush and fix the arm to it. The arm just slides in. To make it secure, let's just put a nut on it for now. We'll not tighten it entirely, but just threading it for now so that the arm doesn't come out. Now we have to attach the arm with this attachment. To do that, we have to open the door a little bit and then try to align this with this. So let's open the door a little bit, bring this in position and loosen this nut. Then you can actually push the door back in place. With the door entirely closed, we can go ahead and tighten these nuts. I'm going to use the spanner provided by Kadson and tighten this nut. Don't have to tighten it up entirely, just a little amount of pressure is more than enough. Don't forget to tighten up this nut as well, now that we have fixed the arm with the attachment. After fixing the mechanism to the door, we can slide back the shield to hide the screws. Installation of the Kadson KE300. This one is meant for heavier doors and it performed really well. To mount this mechanism, all you have to do is measure the distance, keep the height, pre-drill the holes, screw the mechanism first, then the attachment, and then connect them both. With that, the door closer is ready to go. It will save you from dust, keeping the air condition within your room, and much more. Hope this video was useful in understanding how to install the Kadson KE300 model. Please look forward to the Kadson channel on YouTube to see more such videos. Thank you for watching.